This week's phrase was inspired by the refrain of
Zitti e buoni.
by Italian rock band Måneskin, which won the European Song Contest.
Siamo fuori di testa.
We're out of our minds.
Siamo fuori di testa.
Let's break down this phrase into smaller chunks. Siamo is the first-person plural form of the verb
Essere.
to be. It's the equivalent of are in English. Fuori can mean a number of things, including outside, out, outward, and exterior. Di is a preposition that can be translated in multiple ways, but in this case it means of. Testa literally means head, but used figuratively, it can translate as mind or brain. Note how in Italian the singular testa, mind, is used rather than the plural
Teste.
minds. But let's be realistic for a second. How often do we openly declare our own insanity? Almost never. That's why the idiom
Fuori di testa.
is more likely to be used towards another person,
Sei fuori di testa.
you're out of your mind, or to talk about another person,
È fuori di testa.
he, she is out of his/her mind.
Quel ragazzo è fuori di testa. Guida come un pazzo.
That boy is out of his mind. He drives like a madman. A more colloquial way to use this expression is to omit di testa and use just fuori. It also works as a rhetorical question.
Vai a fare paracadutismo senza paracadute? Ma sei fuori?
You're going skydiving without a parachute? Are you out of your mind? Some other ways of saying fuori di testa in Italian include
Pazzo, matto, folle.
all of which mean crazy.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.